Hello and welcome back to the sfirionBIM tutorial. In this video we will show you how to attach comments, images or documents to your model. Here you can see an already pinned comment. You can open it by tapping on it and then reply to it. You also have the option to change the status. The status is represented by traffic light colors. When you are done, click Send. Let's create a new comment. We tap on the door, at the point where the comment should be pinned, and tell the other participants that the door should better be placed in the center. Next, let's pin an image to the model. Here we have the option to select an image file from the device storage. For mobile devices, there is also the option to take a photo directly. Once we have selected an image or taken a photo, we can optionally add a description text. Pinning documents works the same way. We tap on the window and select a PDF file. Again, we can optionally add a description text. Once a document is pinned, it can either be opened in the browser or downloaded. In the upper left corner you can find buttons that allow you to control the visibility of the icons. Let's go back to the project list. In the project options we can also view the images and documents as a listing. Elements that have been placed directly in the model and therefore have coordinates are marked with a small white model icon. Thank you for using sfirionBIM. For more information visit our website www.sfirion.de/bim.